If a doctor refunds you your money for your surgery, does that mean that he was careless? You want to know what this really means? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. I have a few minutes to share this great information with you. I'm on Sanibel Island, Florida, on vacation with my family. And now the question that comes up is, if a doctor refunds you your money for your surgery, does that mean that he is admitting that something was done wrong? In all likelihood, the answer is no, that's not what it means. Here's what happens. A patient goes through a procedure, and now they suffer a complication, and now they're unhappy, and now they're miserable, and now they're trying to recuperate, and they call the doctor, and they're unhappy, and the doctor sees them in the hospital, and the doctor sees them in follow-up. And now they don't understand why they have this serious complication. And the doctor turns around and says, listen, this is a risk of the surgery, and unfortunately, you now experience this particular problem. The patient, though, is extremely unhappy. He's dissatisfied. He knows that he's going to have to get additional care and treatment and maybe even additional surgery to fix this particular problem. And he turns around and says to the doctor, listen, I want you to refund the money. And the doctor says, what are you talking about? I did the procedure correctly. I did everything right. And now this goes on for a period of days and weeks and even months. So now the doctor gets so fed up, he finally says, you know what? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to another doctor. Please go somewhere else. And you know what? I'm also going to refund you your money. Does that mean that he is acknowledging that something was done wrong? The answer is no, that's not what it means. In all likelihood, the doctor is doing it just to get rid of the patient. In all likelihood, he doesn't want to have to deal with the hassle and with the aggravation of dealing with this patient who's a troublesome patient. He's giving the patient back the money and saying, please go to somebody else. Bother somebody else. That's likely what's going to happen. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what can happen when a doctor finally turns around and decides to refund you your money for a procedure that didn't go exactly the way you planned. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.